Guys, I have good news. I'm going to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies, and the reason is I want to be in control of my money. So when I do the trading, I do not need to join all these projects that takes our money and then they disappear with our money. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Shirries, and if you're joining us for the first time, this is the channel where we do stocks, we do crypto, and we make money online. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you some of the testimonies that I am getting from people who are already trading, guys. If you do not know how to trade, you just need to create an account. Use the demo account for you to practice. That way, when you are comfortable, you'll be able to start trading. So here's a requirement that was needed for me to join this specific group of traders. I needed to create an account, deposit $30, and then I will get added to the group where I will be given signals. So signals is what shows you what to trade, and then there are chances of you making profits. And most of the time when I see from the group, it's like a 60%, 70% chance of you making profits. So I think I am fine with that. And nice thing about this is we are also learning how to trade cryptocurrencies. So I am going to use my laptop, but then I will also show you using their phone so that you can also trade, because sometimes we do not carry our laptops everywhere. We need the app on the phone in order for us to trade, especially if there's a signal that is sent, and we can copy the signal, start trading, and make money. So without wasting time, let's go and create this account. This is the link that you click in order for your account to be created. So just click it whether on your phone or on your laptop. So I am going to create using my laptop. So you click create account. So if you are using your phone, you'll see this side on your phone. Look on my right hand side, and then from here you do select the country that you are from. So I am from South Africa, so I am going to select South Africa, and after which amount or maybe currency you're going to trade using. So I am going to use USD, and then you enter your email address, and then you go to your email to verify that email address. You'll get an email from Quotex, and then you just need to click it to confirm your email address. And then from there, it'll take you to the dashboard. So you will find these notifications that you can read just to understand more about the platform. It is like a tour. And once you're done reading that, the last one, it will be this one, the tutorial one. So you see there's two accounts, the demo account where you can practice trading, you get $10,000, and then there's a live account where you can deposit. So do remember, I've deposited $30, and you can deposit whatever amount you want for me to be added to that group. And then the next thing you want to deposit, you click the deposit on the right hand side, top right, and then you can deposit using these. So I advise you guys not to use ERC20 on USD, but use Tron, which is cheaper from whatever crypto exchange you are using. So I know for Luno, Binance, we do have that network. And then from there you specify your account. But before doing that, guys, you need to verify your account. On your left hand side, you see accounts. Just click that and you see you are not verified. So in order for you to be verified, you do need to take a picture of your ID and then change the name here if you want. If you do not want, you do not need to use the number that is allocated to you. So for me, I want to use my name, Shirries. And then the next thing, you get to this part where you select next, and then this is where you're going to upload your ID or your passport. So whatever mode you're going to use, you going to select it. So you upload your ID, and then it will upload. So it will tell you whether to upload the front or the back. So you just select what you have, but just take a picture and keep it on PNG, guys. Only PNG, and JPEG maybe does work, but I use PNG. And then you wait for the company to verify you, and then after you will see this verification under the name. So can you see I am verified? So from there you can go and start trading. So I am on live account. You can go to demo account and practice, And then when you are ready, you'll be able to change into your live account. So practice on the demo account. And do remember, guys, that the link will be on the video description, or you can find it, or you can just copy this one and use it on this video description. Please don't forget to subscribe.